doorbell on Minecraft. I'm now I'm building a doorbell in Minecraft. So it's just when you press the button, there's a redstone lamp that light up, and then it'll play a nice tune, and that's very nice. But I'll show how to do it in a sec. So yeah,
after we dance, we brush our teeth and hang our stockings up.
It's so annoying to do.
Okay, Topsy, where are you going to hang your stocking? I'm going to hang it here. Perfect place for Father Christmas to find it.
So,
Do you think that's a bit low?
I need to set it up.
Perfect.
I'm just building it right now.
Yes, we can do yours now, Tim. Good idea. Hey, Tim, in the front. Here, come on, Topsy, should we go and see where Tim hangs his?
What I'm doing. See, press
Where do you
this
think?
one.
Oh, perfect. Hi, Freddie. Lovely.
Invisible. Okay.
Now, when you wake up in the morning, those might be full of presents. I'm going to look out the window for Father Christmas and his sleigh. Me too.
Oh,
I can't see him.
this is one.
Well, Father Christmas can't come and fill your stockings with presents until you're fast asleep. So into bed, both of you, please. Right, Tim, let's get your slippers off. Slippers! Into bed. Steady, Teddy. Good boy, snuggle down. Night, night. Good girl, Topsy. Into bed, snuggle down. Night, night. Love you too.
That's so annoying.
We tried
I think I'm nearly done.
but we're too excited.
I think we probably can stop doing anything. I should be special one.
So we have
Only
one
one
last look
person.
over the window for Father Christmas. Come over to my side. Hello. Hello. Still can't see him, Topsy. He could be anywhere in the world.
That sounds nice to just turn my audio. No! It's safe next to it. I've saved it.
I think it is. Mummy! Mummy!
What?
Look, look, it's Father Christmas! Father Christmas in the sleigh! Look, look! Oh no, I can't see him! It was really him, Mummy. We saw him. Did you? We did. Oh, it was really him. Oh. And that's what Mummy said. Get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. Get a good night's sleep. Because tomorrow is Christmas Day, Topsy and Tim. And with you and Dad to open your presents. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it too. Night, night, Toptastic Topsy. Night, Mummy. Love you.
There's a certain audio. That's popular. Not gonna happen though. Think that's real good.
And that's Emma.
This is our street, it's where we live.
Hello, it's Sam, Topsy, and Tim. We're making a cake. Come on. Special cake. You want me to go again? Yeah. Ready?
Only got one.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'll figure this out.
Well, Mummy and Dad have gone out together
Yes,
because it's their wedding anniversary.
Bye!